Okay, here's that agreement.
How do you open this? You just... Yeah. Well, that's how you do it.
Are we allowed to walk on the drive?
Oh my gosh.
Are we allowed to watch on the drive? Are we allowed to
wow.
watch
Here,
on
watch.
the drive?
Sit on this side. Hold this. Ready? If I pull this.
Oh my gosh. These are crazy.
It has a couple
Oh my gosh.
Are we allowed to watch on the
wow.
drive?
I wouldn't, because it'll make noise and stuff.
Oh, look at this. There is actually.
Oh my
I
gosh.
know that.
Oh wow.
What have people been watching on this? Dude, wait.
Oh my gosh.
he doing?
Oh
What is he
my
doing?
gosh. I'm in a refrigerator. The best creation on the planet.
People been watching on this. Oh, heck no.
Oh my, these are crazy. Oh
Okay, you guys
wow.
ready? Close that. We're gonna go outside.
Yeah, close that.
Oh, that's how you open them.
Like that. Like this. Okay, pop out.
Are we, is there headphones?
Oh wow. They're actually stainless steel. Or is it stainless steel? I don't know. Or plastic, that's nice to see.
Is there any Bluetooth headphones you can use?
Well, like, no.
Wow, these things
not
are
watching in the car while we drive.
crazy.
I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness, it's the car from Fortnite.
And then look.
It's the refrigerator.
I'll get thrown out the window.
This. Storage, right?
What does it say?
Cybertruck.
It doesn't have much.
Is that supposed to be an S?
A C. Cybertruck.
Cyber refrigerators.
One button. And then back up. Biggest problem I have with these. Well, so this gets 340 miles of range.
Oh, these are crazy.
And then next year they're going to have
Oh wow.
Are you this on your YouTube channel, Corbin?
Yeah, I am.
What the? How does it open? How do you open the doors?
You gotta like put a finger here. That one's already open. Almost.
Hey, Porter.
Eli, how do you open the car?
Let's give back your dad your phone and we can go drive now.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Let me just.
What's the stick?
Yeah, you just gotta press the button. Yes, a true refrigerator. The most stunning creation ever made. I'm using my dad's phone because my phone is running out of storage. There's a ton of these refrigerators.
Oh, and you want to know what's cool is you're close to this. Let's say you go to Farmington, you're close to this one, or you're close to
Oh, this is zero.
like you're close to this
Those are strange ones. That's 15? Oh, that's crazy. Yo, these are sick. Yo, these are crazy. These are crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, you can see me.
Or you can play Fortnite. You can play Minecraft.
These beautiful refrigerators. Oh, you can actually see. They have a couple letters. I don't know how you. Oh, I think you just have to hold it here and then you can just take it. I don't know.
Yes. Eli, we need a Cybertruck. How does that? Wait, how does that? How does a car have GTA? Get it?
You can connect your Xbox controller to that TV. Let's go over right now. Let's find out. Okay, here's the key. The one with the front open, that's all you. Thank you. Let's go.
Play Fortnite. That's a key.
Yep.
You can actually play
You can play
Fortnite?
Fortnite, bro.
If you have one.
Oh, what is? Oh, it's.
Which
this,
Cybertruck are we getting in?
Yeah, which refrigerator?
So
Oh, look at the wheels on this one.
Even this one, see how this one, see this one? Even this one has that screen in the back that you can play games and stuff. So no matter which one you get the screen with
For
YouTube and all
strange
that stuff on it.
wheels.
You can play. Okay.
Yeah, which refrigerator are we getting? This is one without the hubcaps. Oh, my ankle hurts. That's a slightly altered wheel design. Refrigerator.
Batteries on the bottom.
This is the original hubcap right here.
Hey, look,
What the
look,
heck?
man, look how
That was an odd sound. There's a Model X with the white interior. Some Model 3s over there. And yeah. Oh, this is a really nice one.
Up in the back. Let's stop the video so that you can enjoy the drive, okay?
Come here, Eli.
Okay.
All right.
Can I have it?